Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the giveaway that I promised at 50,000 subscribers. I hit that milestone and I'm super stoked. So what will I be giving away? I will be giving away one of these flippers. So I have a Flipper Zero here. It's brand new. It's in the box. And then I have a silicone little case. So essentially it'll look like one of these, right? It'll look like this. So first I want to, give you guys a few ways how to enter, right? So this is the second one I did, and, hopefully it goes well again. So you can subscribe to the channel. That's number one. Number two, leave a comment in the description below on why you should win and where you're located, right? And number three, just share this video in social media or however you want to share it, and let's just keep growing with the community. So there's two things I want to say really quick. If it's domestic, if it's within the United States, I will be shipping this, right? So just throw this in the box, go to USPS and just throw this in the box and congratulate you. And I'll be doing that draw on December 9th. So in 2 weeks. And the second thing I want to say, if you guys are outside the country, not Canada, I think I can just ship to Canada pretty easily, but anywhere else like in Europe or Asia or wherever else, what I'm thinking, I'm not going to ship this because it's probably going to be an arm and a leg. So what I'll do, if you win, you'll send me your address, or you can just send me a PayPal request for the amount of the flipper. The flipper is $170 US, $169. So whatever I'll say, for example, if you're in India, I'll translate to Europees or rupees or whatever. If it's in the Netherlands, I'll do it to euros. So I'll convert wherever you're from and just, Venmo or PayPal, or just wire that money to you. And you can just buy one, or you can just keep the money. It's up to you. But obviously the giveaway is the flipper, so I would appreciate you getting the flipper and then tagging me when you get it, just to show your appreciation and you're the winner. All right, so that's aside, that's on the side now. And a few other things I just want to say from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I started this journey 4 years ago, right? And I started with zero. I think my first subscriber, was my brother. And he didn't even know what I was doing. I think it was like my family, my uncle, my couple friends, and I had I remember having 10 subscribers. And then I went up to 100 subscribers. I was like, holy moly, 100 people. But I think the first nine people, or if I remember, it's so long ago, was friends on Facebook, just trying to support me, probably didn't even know what my content was all about. And here we are 4 years later, 50,000 subscribers, and going to little conferences, even ones in Florida where I'm located, and people recognizing me, going to DEF CON, people recognizing me. No, I'm no John Hammond. No, I'm no, Cyber Mentor, these bigger channels. But at the end of the day, whatever impact that I make, I'm grateful for, right? So 4 years. So whoever stuck with me from the jump, from the beginning, thank you so much. And if you're a Ranger fan, you're a plus. You're going to be up on the top of the totem pole. But then I want to test you. Don't say you're a Ranger fan and then you can't answer some basic questions. And the reason why I'm wearing my Ranger gear, I don't know if you can see, it's today is Black Friday. And every year they play Philadelphia, and I think it's 12:30 EST now. So in a half hour they play. So obviously I'm just rocking my gear, getting ready for the game. So what else did I want to share? I just want to say, again, thank you so much. I couldn't have done this without you guys. I couldn't have done this without any support behind the people that, watch my videos. And just share this video and see how many, shares it can get, and see how many subscribers we can get by December 9th. And I'm going to pick the winner December 9th, and how I'm going to pick it, in all honesty, I'm going to do two things. I want to say, okay, who has the best comment on why you should win this? You know, like if you put a comment in below and say, I just want it because I want to, you know, scan my friend's, I don't know, gate to get into his community. That's not really a legit reason, right? Like just come up with something, you know, creative, like why you should win and what has helped you the most on my channel. How about that? That's how you can win. You know, like put a comment and say like, what was your favorite video so far in the last 3 years or 4 years? And why was it your favorite video, right? Like me, one of my favorite videos or my favorite playlist was my server 2019. And that was my favorite because I actually was relearning a lot of stuff when I was a system engineer, like doing stuff in Windows servers and all that stuff. And when I was making that playlist and writing some ideas down, I was thinking about it as if I was to go into an infrastructure today with zero, right? Nothing. I don't have no servers. Now I need a server. Now I need a Active Directory server. I need some clients. So it was pretty much building a infrastructure from scratch. And then, you know, building on that. And then I redid it or did something similar with Windows Server 2022. And I was getting a lot of requests for Azure. And the reason why I haven't done Azure or anything with the cloud is because I'm really weary about giving my credit card. And I think I seen John Hammond when I watched his video on, I forget what it was about, but he was setting up a dev environment for 365. So I may, you know, trickle into that, but I have other things that I'm working on. As you guys know, I'm working on the VMware series now, and I'm up to like video 4, but I have 20 videos to do. So that's going to be, you know, probably every other day I'll be dropping one of those. And, you know, every Thursday I'm going to try to go live with a new guest and a new topic to learn and hear about. And every other Saturday, I want to go live. Like tomorrow is Saturday. I want to be going live, doing a Try Hack Me room. And yeah, you know, just more engagement, just helping out more in the community and connecting with more folks that, you know, support my content. So that's it for now. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. You know, Black Friday, go spend all your money and, you know, enjoy. And if you guys really want to support the channel, you guys can become a member. And I want to start doing exclusive content, but right now it's just to support the content that I'm creating because it is a lot of time. It's a lot of effort. It is, you know, a lot of background stuff that needs to be, you know, configured, set up. For an example, the VMware stuff, I have to set up my VMware servers. I have to set up the infrastructure, make sure everything works fine in order for me to make those videos, right? So there is some work that goes into it behind the scenes, but I really appreciate every single one of my members, every single one of my subscribers, and good luck to the winner. And yep, that's it for now. Have a blessed day, and thanks again.